actor Abbas, who has appeared in many Tamil and Hindi films like Padayappa and Hey Ram, recently opened up about quitting the film industry. During a recent interview, he reportedly said, "Following my initial achievements, some of my movies faced failure, leaving me financially destitute and unable to afford even basic necessities like rent or cigarettes. Initially, my pride prevented me from seeking alternative employment." He added, "However, I eventually left films because I got bored. I wasn't enjoying my work. I distinctly recall advising my friends who came to watch my Bollywood debut film Ansh, The Deadly Part, not to waste their time as I considered it to be bakavas." Further, Abbas revealed, "In order to provide for my family, I worked as a bike mechanic and drove taxis in New Zealand." In the interview, he also confessed that he never wanted to become an actor initially and that he saw overnight success after the release of his film Kadhalar Desam. "I couldn't fathom why people were showering such immense love upon me. I was merely 19 at the time and had taken up the movie as a casual endeavour to earn some extra money," he shared. Abbas currently lives in New Zealand with his family. For more news and updates, stay tuned to ETimes.